Heading into direct sunlight with a smudged windshield scatters light into a wall of white glare, leaving you driving blind to the road ahead. Restoring that visibility requires a specific approach. Today, we are going to break down the exact method for achieving 100% streak-free, invisible glass, both inside and out. You only need 3 basic items for this process: a stack of clean microfiber towels, an ammonia-free automotive glass cleaner, and a bucket of fresh water. Before you start, there is one absolute requirement: park the vehicle in the shade. If the glass is hot, your cleaner will evaporate on contact and leave permanent streaks before you can even wipe. Perfect glass relies on controlling that evaporation rate and lifting dirt away chemically, rather than trying to scrub the surface clean through force alone. With the car parked safely in the shade and all the windows rolled completely up, we can start the exterior process. Step 1 is a gentle water rinse. Pouring clean water over the glass flushes away the heavy, loose grit and sand from driving. This cross-section shows why that rinse matters. Applying a towel directly to dry glass forces jagged dirt particles to act like sandpaper, gouging trenches into the surface. Introducing water creates a lubricating layer, lifting those sharp particles so your towel glides across safely. Taking a few extra minutes to flush the glass prevents these micro scratches and protects the long-term clarity of your windows. Now spray a moderate, controlled amount of glass cleaner directly onto the wet exterior. Make sure your cleaner is completely ammonia-free. Household cleaners contain ammonia, which chemically degrades automotive window tint and dries out the protective rubber seals around your doors. Take a clean microfiber towel and begin wiping in tight, overlapping circular motions. This specific pattern works the cleaner in to dissolve heavy grease and baked-on bug impacts. For large surface areas like the windshield, use a squeegee to clear the liquid efficiently. Start at the very top edge and pull straight down. After every single downward pass, you must pinch the squeegee blade with your towel and wipe it completely dry. If you leave the blade wet, you simply take the dirt you just lifted and drag it right back across the next section, leaving water trails behind. A flawless exterior clean relies on physically extracting the contaminants entirely, rather than just pushing dirty water around the glass. With the center of the glass clear, shift your attention to the outer perimeter, specifically the deep corners and the rubber window seals. A massive amount of hidden grime accumulates in these tight crevices. If ignored, the next rainstorm will wash that trapped dirt directly onto your freshly cleaned windows. Wrap a dry microfiber cloth tightly around your finger or use a soft detailing brush and trace the entire edge to dredge out the debris. Thoroughly clearing these borders ensures no hidden grime can bleed out later, preventing the premature streaks that usually appear after the first rain. Moving inside the cabin introduces a new set of challenges, mostly because of the awkward angles and tight space against the dashboard. This diagram shows the process of off-gassing. As your dashboard plastics and vinyl heat up in the sun, they emit vapor particles that float upward and condense on the interior windshield, forming a greasy film. To break down this film, you must follow one strict rule: never spray your cleaner directly onto the interior glass. Instead, step outside the vehicle or turn away from the dashboard and spray the cleaner directly into your folded microfiber cloth. This targeted application ensures you get enough Canico to clean the glass without coating your sensitive dashboard electronics in a sticky layer of overspray. Like the interior windshield, using circular motions first to break up residue, then follow with vertical strokes to pull it away. By controlling exactly where the chemical goes, you achieve perfect clarity without compromising or damaging the vehicle's interior materials. The final result of this workflow is invisible glass. Even in direct sunlight, you have a completely unobstructed, glare-free view of the road. You have protected your window tint, avoided dragging a brace of dirt across the surface, and eliminated the smudges that cause dangerous glare. To maintain this level of clarity between major washes, you need a simple, ongoing maintenance habit. Keep a dedicated, clean microfiber towel in your glove box to instantly buff out unexpected fingerprints or diagnose smudges the moment they happen. Finally, inspect and replace your windshield wiper blades regularly. Damaged rubber will instantly streak and ruin your freshly cleaned glass during the next rain. Streak-free windows require the right tools and proper technique. By keeping up with simple maintenance, you guarantee a safe, clear view every time you get behind the wheel.